Hi, I'm Rieena. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Rieena Knits. I am an avid knitter. I've been knitting since I was 14 years old. In this channel, you will find information, if you're a beginner, on everything you need to learn about becoming an expert in knitting. If you're a beginner, you will learn how to knit and how knitting can be fun and relaxing. If you are an avid knitter, like me, as well as an expert, there might be some new techniques that you could learn, as well as some projects that you might not have thought of. You will find information about the basics of knitting, how to cast on, how to knit, how to purl, how to cast off. You will also find various different projects that you could knit: hats, sweaters, scarves, as well as blankets. If you're new to the knitting world, this is a great place to find videos on learning the basics of knitting, as well as the different ways that you could use knitting to benefit others, but at the same time to give you fulfillment, happiness, and enjoyment. In these videos, I'll also be sharing the various different charities where you could provide services through your talent, as well as the different ways knitting came about from when it started, when it was first introduced to this world, to where it is now. So some history behind knitting as well. You would also find information about the different types of tools and techniques to improve your knitting, such as the difference between straight needles and curved needles, why we need place markers, to even organizational tips on how you could organize all the different yarn you have, the different material you have, as well as the different projects that you've started. Videos will be posted every Friday. Be sure to subscribe for new content and comment below to introduce yourself. See you in the next video.